All right, friends, welcome to class one more time. In today's class, we shall be taking the title that is called Statement of Financial Position. Statement of Financial Position. SFP is one of the components of financial statement. Let's start from the beginning. Financial statement has five components, and the first one is the SFP, which is Statement of Financial Position. The second one is the Statement of Profit or Loss Account and other comprehensive income. Okay. The third one is Statement of Changes in Equity. Okay. The next one is the Statement of Cash Flow. All right, and the very last one is the disclosure, which is the note to the account. All right, but for today we shall be looking at what are the components of the first one, which is the Statement of Financial Position. In the first place, as the CEO or as business owner, what is the implication of Statement of Financial Position to you? One, it shows you your performance in terms of asset management versus your sales. Number two, it tells you whether the rate of your owing versus your assets. It shows the difference or the similarity between asset and liability. Okay, and so on and so forth. So what are the components? The component is, you start first with your non-current assets. Now whatever I'm giving to you now is as stipulated by International Accounting Standard 1, IAS 1, International Accounting Standard 1. So you start with your non-current asset. The non-current asset has some subs under it. We have PPE, we have land and building, and we have motor vehicles, we have fixtures and fittings, etc. So all right, so is there. Those are now, but for consolidated account, you are likely to have something like goodwill under your non-current asset. Is that clear? Okay, now let's leave the non-current asset part of Statement of Financial Position. Let's go to the current asset. Current asset, as the name implies, means they are assets that generate economic benefit or that are convertible within one financial year, convertible to liquid cash. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, so and what are the components under current asset? We have the inventory, we have your prepayment, and we have the one you call closing stock. Before now is what is referred to as inventory. Then we have cash and bank, etc. We have a number of them like that. Okay, so we have gotten the two parts that has to do with asset, which is number one, non-current asset, number two, the current asset. Now the next thing we're going to be looking at is the next one is the liability. We have the non-current liability, which are the fund that your company is owing beyond that we can outlive a one financial year, that can last beyond one financial year. I hope this is clear. That's what is referred to as non-current liability. Okay, the next one is the current liabilities. The current liabilities are the payments that you are owing within one financial year. The money you are owing, the payment you are owing within one financial year, that is what is referred to as what? Current liabilities. Okay, the last section of the Statement of Financial Position is the equity. The equity is the owner's fund. Now in the olden days they call it the capital, part of balance sheet, but now it is called equity. And under equity you will have your retained earnings, you will have your at times profit for the year, you will have your shareholding premium, that's a share, ordinary share, we have premium shares, etc. So these are all the components that are embedded under the equity part of the Statement of Financial Report. All right, so with this 3 points, I feel you enjoy the class, and I am very hopeful I will see you in my next class. Thank you so much.